how to change phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your phone number on Facebook. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down, go to settings and privacy. Tap on the settings again, and then you'll see more in account center. Tap on it and then scroll down under account settings. Tap on personal details. Here you'll find your contact info. You just have to tap on it and then change your phone number. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.